Hi everybody, just a quick video to show you how to put the saw blade into this Black & Decker, and it is a PHS550. It's a handsaw electric. When you look in this hole, I had a little bit of trouble, but the saw goes in at this angle, and you can see the way the saw blade is. It has to be kind of this way inside, but mine is long ways like that. So to fix that, all you have to do is get you a screwdriver, stick it in there, and turn this inside piece, which you'll be able to see. Let me put my light on, maybe that'll help. There we go. See that piece there? It's going up and down. I'm going to put the screwdriver in and show you. You just turn it. Use a flat screwdriver. So you put the screwdriver in, and then on the back there's a release button, that black button. Press that while you're doing it. And then just turn it so that it goes up and down like that. Okay. Now that we've got that, you're going to put your saw blade in this way. You hear that click? And then you turn it. And it's locked in. And there you go. That's how you do it if you have that trouble where the inside is not in the right position. Just use your screwdriver. Okay, bye.